Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. How your August will be, yes, friends. I am always, like always, early with this reading, friends. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. This is a charms reading. Yes, I'll be pulling the charms. I have my bag of charms here. So, friends, in this reading, we will take a look at how your August will be, your love, work, career in general in August will be. And this is a general reading, may or may not resonate, friends. And also, you can watch it for any month, even though it is for August. You can watch it anytime. Still, it will resonate with you, friends. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wens Tarot. Like, share, subscribe. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. Also, I will be doing the horoscope readings also very shortly, so yeah, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on those readings. And if you are trying to reach out for a personal reading, yes, I'm taking orders, but currently I'm booked, friends, so just give me some time to get back to you. So yes, you can also book yourself a charms reading. Yes, that is also there. So yes, what else? Yeah, we have to look at the astrology of August. What is going to happen in August? August is a big month, friends. August is a big month because it will start with Sun squaring Uranus, and that will another that will be something to watch out for. Mercury will be in Virgo, new moon will be in Leo. There will also be a new full moon in Aquarius, which will be repeating because we had a full moon in July also, and again another one will happen in August. So woohoo, Aquarius! New times, new age, and lots of new energy. So what else will happen in August? Let's see. Venus will be in Libra, Uranus will be going retrograde in Taurus. Happy birthdays, Leos and Libras. Happy birthday if your birthday sun in Leo, and happy birthdays Libra starting from the 20th. Sun in Libra. And yeah, so the double full moon will be a very, very big thing in August, and especially the sun squaring the sun squaring the Uranus. That will also be important. So let's take a deep breath. Let us see how your August will be, friends. Let's take a deep breath and choose a pile. If let's take a deep breath and choose option one. This beautiful lady in the red. Option number two, the lady in the white dress. Option number three, the lady in the black dress. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option one, option two, option three. Like always, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section. So you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. Also, you can choose more than one pile, friends. Also, you can watch the entire reading if you want to. Let us see, friends, for option number one, how your August will be. Let's see that. And yes, if you chose option number one, this beautiful red lady in the red dress, the magician, wow. So this is going to be a very, very powerful month for you, friends, because it is the energy of magician, the manifestation energy. So August is powerful. August is full of manifestations for you, and answers, wishes coming true, prayers being answered, all those kind of things will happen for you. Let us see what else will happen. We have your cards, oracle cards, and other romance angels and charms also will be pulling shortly. So let us see how you will, how your August will be. Wow. So right now your mood is to get the work done in August. Your mood is to get the get start working on things you love right now. That is what you are feeling right now, to work on your career, your hobbies, your love life, your work, your life, your weight loss, whatever you are thinking about, or whatever is your dream, you want to work on it, you want to improve your life, you want to change it, make it better. So that is how you will start August, with the desire to make things better. You will also be very, very busy in August, friends. August is a busy month for you, because I see a lot of work proposals coming your way. I see, if you are in business, a lot of orders coming your way. Even if you are not working, you will be very busy taking care of the home. There will be extra duties, extra like guests coming to your place, so you will be busy, friends. A lot of things are happening in August for you. It's a busy month, astrologically as well as energy wise, as well as for you, pile number one. I also feel that, this month you will also feel like, you will want to stick to your work and not want to do too much, like, if you don't want to interfere in too much anybody's life. That's not your energy. You want to focus. You'll be very, very focused on your work, on your career, on your hobbies or your goals. So you will not want to, I feel some of you could actually be preparing for exams, or for some exams or some interview calls. So you are very, very focused, friends. If you are a student, or if you are preparing for some competition, you'll be very focused, and it will be a good thing. Also, your focus at your work will be very, very good, and it will bring you money, it will bring you finances, it will bring you rewards, it will bring you selections and good grades and results, good results in your career also. So it's a good energy in August for you. Five of Swords. Yeah, I do feel that, in August, you may feel like, like you need to step away from people a little. You want to keep yourself away from people, at least some kind of people, because there are people like you don't trust, or there are people who are gossiping, backbiting, and you don't want to deal with them in August, because you had enough of them. So you are like, you are letting go of people, or maintaining some distance from people, because you want to focus on your work. You want to focus on things which are important, rather than on things which are just talk and talk. That's not your energy. Your energy is work. You want to do some work, achieve some money, achieve some success, learn something, try something new. I do feel there is somebody that you have some trust issues with. It could be a friend that you don't trust, it could be a lover, it could be an ex-husband wife, or an ex twin flame, or somebody. There is a person you really don't trust, and that person is important in August for you. He or she will be on your mind. They might come back, but you will stick to your work, and you will stick to doing your things which you know best, rather than people. You want to maintain some distance from people. You are like, no, no, no. You have some certain trust issues with people. Why? Because your career is boosting. Your whatever you are doing, whether it is a hobby, whether it is love, you are feeling very happy. So you don't want to disturb that. You don't want to, uh, you know you're feeling, you will feel happy. You will feel an inner sense of joy, optimism. You will feel very focused about your work, your career, your ambition, your love life, your career, everything, your hobbies also, your fitness also. So you will not want to spoil it, because there are people in August around you who may actually pinch your happy bubble. Like, some boss will say, oh, you are doing great, but you could have done it better. So you want to maintain some distance with those people, because you are doing great, friends, in August. August is your month. You may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you have a strong planet in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The sun is there. So definitely you will be shining brightly. People will be a little jealous of you, or jealous of your energy. So you need to ignore that, because that has got nothing to do with you. It has got everything to do with them. And I do see success coming your way. I do see money coming your way in August. I also see you feeling very happy and fresh, like whew. Some of you could be actually traveling in August, like getting a break, like going out and doing something you have never done. Or some of you could actually be planting or starting, connecting with gardens, with flowers, with plants, and you will feel very happy. You will feel very excited. And look at that, the King of Pentacles. So Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you. I also feel that this could be somebody from your past, and who is a little arrogant, who is a little judgmental. So they could be coming back towards you, friends, in August, but you will not try to, because they see you are shining. They are stalking your social media. This person is like, they are keeping an eye on you and they want you, and they are trying to reach out to you. I also feel that for most of you, your focus will be on work, career, your health, your fitness, sorting your life and making most of it. So work wise, you'll be very very strong in August. You'll be successful even in your career, you'll be successful in studies also. But in love, you want optimism, you don't want negativity. So if someone is bringing negativity or toxicity, you will say bye bye. You will just maintain, you won't even say bye, you will just maintain some distance. I do see this person is coming, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or somebody who is a little arrogant, who is in no contact with you, or who is not talking, or who has some trust issues, or who keeps giving you mixed signals. That person will try to definitely reach out to you, friends, in August. Let's see what will else will happen. The Three of Wands. Yeah, this person wants expansion with you. They want a better relationship. They want to expand this relationship. They want to take things forward. They are eyeing you. They are like, hey, I have my eyes on you. It could also be a new person who is a co-worker of yours, or who is a colleague, a friend zone person who wants to expand their relationship with you or friendship with you. But your focus is more like, I'll see about it. You are very choosy and picky about love because you are the sun. The sun decides where they will shine. The land doesn't decide where the sun will shine. The sun decides where they will put their shine on, sunshine on one plant or on not, or the other cloud or not. So it is up to you whom you will choose. You are very very picky, and your focus is mainly on expanding your life, your career. Even if you are in a relationship, you want to expand on it. You will be very happy with a person who is ready to work on a partnership. But if they are just talking, you will not like it. If they do some action, you will be very very happy. I also see that some of you could be eyeing for some new jobs or opportunities to come your way, or some new person to come your way. If you are really, really single, I do see that you will have a, you will have to take some time off from work to focus on love, because you are really focused on work. You are very successful also. Money is also coming. Business is also active. So you are like, what is happening? Yeah, so love is there for you. If you are single, a new person will be coming for you, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. But you gonna take some time out for love, otherwise you will miss out on it. Also, this person could be coming as a friend zone person who is already there, someone you work with or study with, and they are eyeing you, but you may miss out on them if you are too busy. So if you are really single, take some time for love. If you are already in a partnership or in a confusing situation, that person is coming back. But until and unless they show some action, you will not gonna believe them. And look at that, the Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is coming towards you, friends. Exciting energy. I do feel this month you will be taking charge of your life. You will be like, yes, you will take a you will take something, and you will just be, you will take a goal. You will take like fitness. You will take like, yes, I'm going to resolve my life, I'm going to change my life. You are very very focused. Some of you could be actually looking to travel, or you will be traveling in this month. Some of you could actually be shifting, relocating also. Also, some of you are planning for shifting or relocating, like what is in the future is very important for you in August, friends. What is in your future, what is going on, how it will be. I do see you will want to do, you will actually be taking a lot of watching a lot of tarot readings, astro readings. You might even be taking personal readings, a lot of them, because you are very curious. You are in you're very very intense to know about your future. You are hungry to know about your future. You are hungry to work about for your future. I also see money coming your way, so you will actually feel very motivated to work and improve your future. So this is August is a very future oriented month for you. And I also see you feeling very happy, very relaxed, and very positive. The only thing you need to avoid is people who just don't agree with you, people who will not understand you, people who are not your vibes, not your homies. So you need to find a way to avoid those people. Otherwise, it's a great month for you. You'll be very excited. Also, some excitement or exciting energy is coming, like a new job, a new relationship, new friendships, new ideas. um, Also, I do feel that some of you were not sleeping well in all these years, especially last year and this year. Finally, in August, you guys can sleep well and wake up with the sunshine, and you're like, yoo-hoo, that was a good sleep. So, I do feel many of you will actually get some good sleep, and you will really enjoy that. Let us see what else. The Eight of Wands. Yeah, friends, this month you are very busy, friends. You have a lot of things planned. You have a lot of communications. I also see, cousins coming, friends coming. There's a lot of discussions, conversations happening. A lot is on your mind. You're very mentally active, and socially also you're very active. You're a social butterfly, but you will still only talk to people you really connect with, not with everybody. I think a lot of people want to know you, but you will be like, nah, I'll talk to people. You're choosy, you're picky. If you are already married, I do see a chance of a second honeymoon happening for some of you, or a very, like, your, if you have kids, children might make you proud this month, like they get awarded, rewarded. You will feel very like, ooh, wow, nice. I also see fame coming your way, like some people recognizing your talent, or somebody actually uh, proposing, like, awarding you something like that. So it will be great, friends. It will be a great month for sure. Let's see what else. And also, you will the only thing you need to watch out for is you are very focused on the future, so you may miss out on the present moment in August. Like, you're so busy building a safe future. Like, if you are a man, you're building, you're like, yes, I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll make my future secure. You may miss out on the present moment. So don't do that, friends. You're very focused, you're very much enjoying your work, your career, your zumba, whatever, your yogas, your everyday life, but you are very excited about your future also. So don't try to miss out on the present moment. Let us see what else is coming. Joyous fun. So yeah, a lot of fun is coming your way in August. I do see that some of you could be connecting, or with friends or cousins, or you could be going to places you went as a child, or some memories will be shared of your childhood, and you will feel like, wow, that was super fun. So you will feel like a little child, excited, happy. So August is a good month for you, friends, and keep your inner child happy. This will really make you feel very satisfied this month. I also see some of you could be going on a trip with your family, or some nearby parks, or spending some picnics with them. So you will enjoy that. Let's see what else. Travel. Yeah, see, travel is very important for you. Some of you may not actually travel, but you will be planning. It's on your mind, it's on your talks, it's everywhere. Like, I want to go there, I want to do this. Travel is on your mind. Some of you could actually be shifting a house, or an office, or relocating, or renovating. I do see that you may not actually buy or sell a house, but it is on your mind to buy a property, buy a house, do this, travel there, book something. It's very important for you. Let's see what else. Yin and yang, number 22. Yeah, I do feel, friends, you are in a very yang, passionate energy in the month of August. So you do need to, emotionally, you do need to balance yourself, stay a little receptive. You will feel very strongly, very passionately, and very bold. So you just need to give yourself some emotional break also. Like, yeah, listen to your emotions also. Don't just be like all yang. Also be receptive like a female energy. Let us see what else. Oh my god, you are, look at that. They are from two different decks and exactly the same card, the sun. Wow, this this is beautiful shine. Yes, friends, August is your month. You are definitely going to come out of isolation. You are going to come out of, um, I don't know. Maybe you were feeling very lazy in the past. Maybe you were feeling like no, not motivated. But now you will find some sort of a purpose in life, some sort of a hope in life, something that will make you feel optimistic, excited. And I also tell you, friends, you should shine in this month in August, and you should stay motivated, because a lot of people are watching you in August. If you I don't know if you are in limelight or not, but a lot of people are watching you. You'll see that a lot of people are watching you. So if you are positive, others will be positive. If you are sad, they might be sad too. So keep your eyes, stay, look your best, because a lot of people are watching you. And you're inspiring many, many people in this month, friends. In the month of August. Let's see your romance angels, then we're gonna look at your charms. Wow, romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So, yeah, this is a great time, friends. Romance is very near for you. If you are single, I do see a very, very exciting lover coming your way. You may also have some choice in love. uh, if you are in no contact, I do see that person returning back, trying to reach out to you. I don't know if you will take some time to talk to them, but there is love here, there is romance. This person does love you, but they are a bit difficult to talk with. They are a little me, my way or the highway. Let's see how your August will be, friends. Lots of initials came out. That's interesting. Alright. Always the pile one has this music charm, always, isn't it? I think in last week also it came out, this music charm. Okay, let's just so let's arrange the charms and then we're gonna talk. Wow, lots of people are important for you in the month of August. Yeah, and that's why what I'm telling you, that people wanna know you, they wanna talk to you, and you are very successful at work also. But you're like, I don't wanna talk with people. So this is a bit of a confusing energy for you. You're like, oh, I don't wanna talk with people. But people are like, we want you, we want you, we want you, we want you. So it's gonna be fun, friends. Get ready. Fae, yeah, you might be very connected to fairy, or also like a fairy godmother. Maybe there is a person who is like a fairy godmother to you, a spirit guide, or a fairy, like a mother, a grandmother supporting you this month. Also, you might be dealing with a person whose name is fairy, or what else? Or Meave, Maeve, Meave could be their name. Fanny could be their name. Fan, I do feel that, yeah, Eve might also be important. Maybe some sort of an anniversary or something important will happen this month, like Eve, a celebration, like New Year's Eve. Some important things will happen this month. And let's see, me, we. So yeah, your focus is on me, but everybody wants you to focus on the we. So you're like a bit irritated. You're like, why me? Why now? So because your focus is on yourself, and that's a good thing, friends. Self love is one of the most beautiful things, and it has taken you a long time to focus on yourself and your life only. So good, well done. And FANEVEWM are important for you. These could be the initials. Number 12 is important, December. Number 17 is important. Number 37 is important for you. Strawberry. Yes, friends, this is a very passionate month for you. Your passions are really, really running high. So, if you are in a relationship, you can expect some passionate rendezvous, some passionate experiences. Money, yes, money is coming in. Your money and, financial healing will happen. You are very lucky this week or this month, sorry. The Pearl, someone is missing you, friends. Someone is remembering you very fondly. I do see that old friends will connect with you, school friends. I also feel that people, your ex lover or you were not in contact with, they will connect with you. Lantern, you are the guiding light, friends. You are guiding, you are inspiring a lot many people this month. So, you gonna watch out for that, because I don't think so you even feel you can inspire anybody. You're like, nah, I'm alone. I'm looking out for people. I'm a single lone person. But look at that, people are looking out for you. You're gonna find exactly, I think someone is going to find you who is exactly what you are looking for. So, Lantern, you are the guide and you are the light. The bow, yes, I feel romance is coming your way. Some sort of a gift, a celebration also. Mushrooms, very, very passionate month. You are very passionate about your goals, about people, about things you like, about things you don't like. So yeah, music will be very important to you. Some of you could be attracting a musician, dating or connecting with a musician. Some of you could also start learning music, art, dance, fitness, and it will change your life. The dear, yeah, friends, you are vulnerable this month, emotionally. So, emotionally, you are like a little vulnerable, sensitive. So, you will like to avoid people, but people will continue to reach out to you. And the lotus, yeah, you will be dealing with a divine romance, a twin flame connection this month. Also, it is a spiritual month for you. Snake, yes, you are transforming, you are changing. That is why people around you also feel a bit different. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Giver, yes, you are a very giving, kind person, but this month you can take time to focus on yourself, on your life. You don't always have to care for everybody, right? And Ace of Cups, a new romance is coming or a reunion is coming. And dreams, yes, I do feel dreams are important to you because a lot of people will try, you will have important dreams about your life purpose or your next move that you need to make. And also, someone is trying to message you through dreams because you are not receiving their text or calls. You are mean, friends. I think you are being just yourself. You are being self loving, which is a great thing. Nothing mean about it. So, friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye, bye bye, bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, let us see how your August will be. This is a chance reading, friends. If you choose this lady in the white, the angel in white, this is a beautiful card, the moon. So definitely this is a very healing, enlightening month for you. This is a month of transformations. This is a month of things, the moon is it's about new start. It is also about culminations, endings, victories, things coming to light. So it's a great month for you. These are your oracle messages and advice, and we're gonna pull your charms shortly. Let us see first how your August will be, friends. All right. So, right now you're not feeling very happy, friends. That's the first thing I'm feeling because you start the month of August feeling a bit of confusion. You don't know what to do. Some situation is definitely making you confused. Or I feel like you are like, should I focus? Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I go for study this? Should I go for this? What is my life purpose? There are some questions right now also on your mind, like what is your life purpose? Why is this person here? Why I keep missing them? Why is this person not listening to me? Why should is it time for me to leave my job, do something else? There are tons of questions on your mind, and you are like, ooh, you are a bit like, nervous. You could also, I feel at the start of August, you could be dealing with a person who is a little confused and you don't like it. It could be a lover, it could be a parent, it could be a coworker, a boss. You could be dealing with people who are confused situations which are confusing. You are dealing with that at the start of August, like uh, you are not sure what you need to do in your work, so it's a confusing situation. You don't know whether your exams will happen or not, so you are again confusing situation, right? Or you don't know whether that person is real or not. Are they gonna stay, they're gonna leave? So again confusions. So it seems like a Mercury retrograde hitting you right at the start of August, although there is no Mercury retrograde happening in August. But this is but I do feel this is the Chiron, the Uran wait a minute, there is also Chiron retrograde happening, and Uranus is retrograde, so that could also be affecting you. Yeah, I do feel that this energy will not last, this confusions. You will find the clarity. Wow, someone is definitely missing you, friends. That was interesting what happened just now. So I do feel either you will start the month missing somebody, or someone is giving you mixed signals at the start of August, and you will feel not very happy about it. Yes, I do feel that this month you have to stay mature, friends. You have to take a mature approach. You can't just be all moon energy, all emotional, all rosy eye and just follow what what you feel is not right. I feel this month you have to stay very balanced. The mature decision, the more mature your decision, the more better your life will be. I also feel that you will finally come out of these confusions in August, and you will find what is the middle ground, what is the solution. So you will feel very happy. You will feel like, yay, we could do it. So it's a great energy, friends. Also, this month you will feel very ready to join, in a relationship, or you know you're feeling very fertile. I don't know how to say this, very ripe, very juicy, in the sense like you will have a desire to merge. If you are single, you will have a very intense desire to fall in love with somebody. If you are working, you will have a desire to make it even better, to get more money out of it, to just you know churn, like crush the grapes and get more juices out of it. So you want to really crush things and get more juice out of life. I do feel that your creativity will be very, very high this month, but you have to be a little careful, friends. You have to choose wisely with your head and heart. I do feel you will be able to get through it. You will be able to make very mature decisions this month, but also I feel that whatever decisions you make, they will be going to go great for you, because you have the moon's energy. So the moon is blessing you. The full moon will be very, very important for you, friends. It is a double full moon in Aquarius. It will bring you the end of confusions. It will also clear things in you, bring luck for you, and also illuminate your life. But you have to take mature decisions. You can't be just take emotional decisions this month. Also, high priestess, your intuition will be super high, friends. Super, super high. Your intuition will be guiding you. It will be helping you in your work, in your love life, everywhere. I do feel some of you could be attracting a spiritual mentor, a spiritual guru, or a teacher in some way. Also, you might yourself be becoming a teacher or a mentor for somebody, a guide for somebody. So need to mature. You need to stay mature and make good decisions, because you are here to help a lot of people. You are a source of light, a source of support, a source of wisdom for a lot of people. I also feel whatever is the confusion for you, whatever you are looking for, the solutions, you're going to find it in August, friends. I feel you since April last year or this year, you have been very upset. You have been very, very confused. Some situation keeps going in cycles, and you need a solution for that. You need an answer. Why is it happening? You will find it, friends, in the month of August. Everything you look at this card, it looks like exact sisters, and both the moons are also opposite to each other. So yes, you're gonna find the solution you are looking for. It is going to come to you automatically without any effort. I also feel some of you are going to attract a very telepathic connection, a soul friendship, a soul mate, or a twin flame into your life. And this is going to be a very emotional, fulfilling relationship for you. So keep your eyes open. The universe is guiding you in the month of August through signs, through messages, and through dreams. You should take note down your dreams in the month of August. And I never, friends, you will come back again and watch this reading, and in September, and say, oh, we didn't listen to our dreams and we landed in some problems. That is why I'm telling you, save this reading. Make sure to remember your dreams and follow your intuitions. You will have a great month. And let's see what else. Strength. Yes, friends, you are very, very, very powerful in this month. If you have any health issues, or if you are going through emotional anxiety, depression, or emotionally you are not feeling so great, or physically you are not feeling great, you're gonna come out of it, friends. And so well you're gonna come out that people will be really surprised. You're gonna be very fit, you're gonna feel very strong and solid, and your health will be optimum. If your friends and family, someone in the family is ill, you can expect you can expect health and healing in them also. I also feel, friends, your relationships, if you ask me, they are not going well. There is a lot of confusion and blocks in your relationship. Whether you are married, whether you are single, whether you are in a situationship, your love life right now is completely a big mess right now. But in August, good news, things will resolve. your person will be more open, more receptive towards you. This is a good connection. There is love, there is depth in it, there is this connection can stand the test of times, friends. And you will see this, you will see this in August, that yes, a relationship, finally the person who was behaving stupidly, confused, giving you mixed signal, they finally mature up and give you the right things that you desire. So good things happening. I do feel if you are really single, a very strong connection is coming. A very strong connection, a soulmate is coming. I do feel this person lives away from you in a different city or country, and they could be from a coastal city or place, or you live in a coastal city or place, tropical place, tropical place. But I feel you have to listen to your intuition. If you don't, you may miss out on this soulmate. So be very listen to your intuition. Hanged man, yes. I do feel your life is like, you are waiting for certain situations to work and get moving. Yes, in August, things will start to roll, gates will open, opportunities will come, whatever is stuck will now start to move for you. So, yes. Also, August is a great time to see things in a different way. Like, if you feel money is not coming your way, if you feel you are not lucky, how about seeing things from a different way? Like, this, how about feel saying that you are lucky, and this you are lucky and something better is coming your way. I do feel, there is a situation which will be stuck or which will be slowly moving in August. It could be your love life, it could be money, it could be your career. There is a situation which will move slowly in August, and there is a reason for it, friends. You should not try to hurry that thing, you should not try to fix that thing, because there is a purpose, a divine purpose for this slowness in this, or this confusion. There is a divine purpose for it. So please do not try to feel irritated, like, oh, I don't have options, oh, why is this happening to me, am I unlucky? No, there is a divine purpose. You need to change your focus. The delays are actually working in your favor. You have the moon fairy. I call this card the moon fairy, and I call this the fairy godmother. So you have the moon fairy. So delays are working in your favor. Delays are making your love life stronger. Delays are making your reward, money coming your way, more richer. So don't worry. The two of swords, yes, I do feel that, you will be having choice in love this month. Or some of you may feel like, should you date or should you not date, should you accept this person or not accept this person. Some of you, or I also feel your partner could be a little confused, because of difference in family and culture, religion, long distance. Also, they could be like, I want to be with you, but I don't know how to be with you. So there is a confusion going on. Let us see, what is this confusion about? What is this two of swords about? I think if you don't listen to your intuition, there will be certain confusion. See, the sun is here. So, yes, clarity is coming for you. You just need, this month, August, is like you have to blindly trust that you are on the right path, friends. Because, if you are looking for outward signs, you may not find any. Those months when you have to walk on faith, because, you will have ample of signs. You will have feathers, you will have pennies, you will have us, magic Vents tarot, all of us, me and all of us together, our soul family being there with you. But you will look for signs outside, like, oh, is this the one, is he the one, is she the one, is this gonna, will I clear my exams? You want concrete solutions, you want concrete signs. But this is the month of following on faith. This is the month of chasing, taking charge and thinking later, but also taking wise risk, not foolish risk, friends. Please don't do that. This is definitely a month where you should take wise risk, but not foolish risk. And you should follow your heart and take charge. I also feel that. In your love life, you are attracting someone who is very intuitive, who is very wise. And yes, it will be a new person, a new start for you. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. But I do feel that you will have a choice. Somebody from the past could also be on your mind, while there is someone new also. So there is a choice in love available to you. It's up to you whom you will choose. And look at that, the Temperance, yes, Balance is very, very important, friends. This is an emotional month for you, yes. But you will have to find, work a little hard to balance your work, your career, your love life, your relationships. I also feel that some of you could be actually getting a new project which is very close to your heart. But at the same time, you could be getting some new friendships, some confusions in your love life. So you will have to work at balancing it. I also feel that if something was missing from your life in August, more or less you will be able to achieve it. You whatever was missing from your life, you will achieve it, friends. Balance will start. Like money was not coming in, money starts coming in. Confusions start to heal, and answers start to reveal. But try not to hurry this month, friends. Please don't do that. Certain things are confusing you, and there is a divine purpose for it, and you will know by the end of the full moon in August, or by the start of new moon in August. But be patient. And let's see what else. Planning and action. Yes, this is your month to plan and take action. This is your month to follow your inner guidance, inner compass. This is also a month, friends, August, where you have to blindly trust yourself. No clear answers, or no GPS will be there. You have to follow your inner GPS. Google Maps won't always help. Have you ever landed on the right place after the Google map? I usually get very confused. I use my inner intuition. That's my job. I'm a psychic. All right, that was a bit fun. So yeah, so you have to use your inner intuition, friends, this month. Let's see what else. Courage. Yeah, you have to be bold. You have to take charge. You don't know what's on the say yes to the unknown. Say yes to the risky things. But please, I will again say to you that don't be too emotional this month. Don't take too much risk. Try to be practical about things, and that is where you will find the most and maximum benefits of this month. It is a great energy for you. You are very creative, you are very prosperous, you are very bold, you are very healthy, you are very fit. Everything is aligned in your favor. You just need to pick which how you will deal with it, with this energy. Fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. So yeah, important communications are coming your way. I do see that some of you could be getting news, like another job offer. Some of you could be getting some new colleges or universities, also some new courses, admissions in them. I also feel some of you are getting communications from a loved one you were not expecting from, and it will only make things a bit confusing. But if you listen to your intuition, you know the answer. So there is a choice in love coming for your way. Well deserved reward. Yes, friends, you definitely will be earning some rewards this month, because you deserve it, friends. You had worked a lot, and this is your time. You can do it. You have to trust your intuition. You can trust yourself. You don't doubt yourself. You are the catch, friends. So if something good happens, please don't doubt it. It is your well deserved reward. It is destined for you. Let's see your romance angels. Forgiving and learning. Yeah, I do need to I feel you are still connected with a past person, or a past breakup, or something like that. So it is time to forgive. This month, forgive and learn. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So let go of the past. Try to stay in the present moment. And I do see a return of a lover, and also some new people coming your way. Let's see your charms. Happy number for August 20. Oh, nice. Let's see. Wow, there's a lot of charms for you. Busy month, actually. So G and V, somebody named Ginny, Jenny, those names are important. Let's see, let me just arrange them, and then we're gonna discuss them. Yoo-hoo, I'm feeling so excited. I think that's how you're gonna feel in the month. Excited, happy. Not, wow. So somebody you feel is not ready for you is coming towards you. Somebody you feel is like, they are not ready for my love. They are not committing. There is some confusions with this person. or someone who was avoiding your love is coming back for you. Lot, yeah, you are definitely busy, friends, this month, so you have a lot on your plate. And the initials are LOTG and V. Those could be the name for a person. The numbers are number 99, number 31. 31 could be a birth date. Commitment, yes, commitment is very important to you, friends. Some of you are discussing marriage. Some of you are confused whether you should marry or not, whether this person will marry you or not. Also, this is about work. Should you commit to this work? Should you leave this work? So, commitment is very much important to you this month. It is a highlight of this month. Your decisions, your thoughts about commitment. Reunion, yes, somebody from the past is returning back or they are on your mind. The feminine energy, yes, friends, you are in an ultra feminine energy. The pile one was in a very male dominated energy, passionate energy. You are on a very, very female energy, friends. So, some of you could be attracting a person who is very feminine. Some of you could be in a same sex relationship or could be attracting a same sex partner towards you. I also feel this is a very, very intuitive and creative month. So make full use of it, friends. You know, your creativity will be high. Use it. And don't try to get submerged in the flood of emotions. Try to sail, try to swim with the emotions. And look at that, you have the umbrella. So, sweet romance is coming, some sweet memory is coming. Some of you may also go on a sweet date. The leaf, letting go of the past. Just let it go. The cross, yes, a destined connection is going on. It is frustrating you right now, but remember, things will resolve, things will get better. The golden leaf is money coming your way, the reward coming your way. Some gold, it could be, you could be buying gold, you could be investing in gold, or someone may gift you gold, like your mother, your parents, your family might gift you some gold. You may buy yourself a gold thing. The wind, so yes, changes. You are looking for change, you want some change. I also feel, Netherlands or these kind of places, Holland, Netherlands, Australia or Canada, or some, where these turbines are, wind turbines, those places are important to you. Again, the leaf is there. So this leaf is like confusion. Don't, black or white, gold or black, which one should I choose? Confusion. So let go of the confusion. Try to listen to your intuition. Music is very important. I also feel that yes, your health, music is also like your health will be better. And look at that, something will happen which will make you very smiley, like happy. Six of 5 of wands, competition. Yeah, people, there is some competition in this month. Green, money is coming, financial healing, 5 of cups. Yeah, you are a little disappointed also with some people, some situation. Like you want clarity, you want to act on things right now. But friends, the clarity is coming. This is like a very mystical, whimsical. August is like very deep, very, like this card itself. This is how your August is, very beautiful, very deep, very whimsical, very, very intuitive. But well, also very prosperous. Go your own way. So listen to yourself, listen to your intuition, follow what your heart says, and you are unique. Yes, your journey is unique. Some of you may be trying to feel like you are late in life, you could not marry, or others have married, they have kids, they have 10 kids, you are still single. You know what, friends? I think they want your life. They want your life. Your friends, your peers, your people around you, those who have 10 kids, they look at you and envy you because, wow, how can you do this? How can you be so amazing? And they are not, or maybe they just want what you have. So, whatever, maybe you're comparing yourself to others' life, but remember, you're unique and you're amazing. So, that's it for now. Subscribe, Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, let us see how your August will be. If you chose this beautiful lady in the black dress, it is a beautiful card, the death, the transformation card. This month is August. You are changing your life, you are changing your looks. This is a month of transformation, awakening. This is a month of profound relief and release, and it is a great month for you, friends. Absolutely peace and spiritual harmony coming your way. This is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. These are your oracle messages and romance angels. Let us see how your August will be now. Wow, this is amazing, friends. This is amazing. So, you start the month of start the month of August feeling a bit like you have been through a lot, friends. Absolutely. You have been through a lot. You have been fighting many, many battles alone. And even July was not easy for you. I feel like this was not an easy month for you, July. I do feel you faced some losses. You may have lost a friend, a loved one, a pet, a job, money, anything, or you want to lose some weight or something like that. You are keeping a brave face, friends, right now. I think you are fighting alone, and you are trying to appear that yes, you can do it, you can handle it, you are appearing brave, but actually you have been through a lot, friends. You have been going through a lot, and you had been battling some challenges, some hardships, some losses, but remember, you are now close to a very, very hard journey. And it is the good news is this is now over. This is struggle, this pain, this all these things, the karmic cycle is coming to an end, and August will bring you some sort of a relief. So wonderful news for you, friends, and well done. I really, really appreciate you have been very strong, friends. I can see that, and I appreciate it because I know it's not easy to be this alone, and yet you manage everything. And it I think you are being brave. You are not even showing on your face what you are going through. You are trying to smile when you want to cry. I keep getting that song, the mess. I think it's a Pratik Kohar song, Cold Mess. So it's that kind of a situation where you are broken, but you feel you don't have any other choice but to keep on flying. You are broken, but you keep on flying because you are a phoenix, you are a bird, you are very powerful. So well done, friends. Well done. You are amazing. I am so proud of you. I mean, like, I don't know what to say. I mean, well done. Well done. You are such a inspiration. But let's see how your August will be. So, friends, good news is your August is bringing you luck, wheel of fortune. Yes, your times are going to change. You are going through a major, major transformation, and it may be happening very silently or it may be happening very openly in your life. Yes, the karmic cycles, the challenges will end, and August is the month that will shift your life, and peace will come, and harmony will come, or some sort of a cycle will end, and something new will start. I do feel, you may not notice that August is an important month because you will start to see the results in September, October, November, but August is the month where you change the direction, change the north. You were here, life takes you here, and you are automatically, you feel here everything is much better than here. So also new opportunities are coming your way, new doors are opening for you. You are also very lucky. I also feel your luck will be very, very great, friends, in the month of August. You'll be extremely lucky. You will have more choices, you will have more options. Some of you may also were feeling very alone. Now you will have more people to support you, people who understand you. If you were out of work, there will be more chance, more job offers coming your way. If your money was not coming, your money situation was tight, you can expect help. Unexpected help is coming your way regarding money. I do see you are not expecting to go out on a date or just enjoy life, but it is going to happen, friends, in August, because that is the energy. You are very lucky, and things are changing for you. Four of Pentacles. Yes, you will find all this a little hard to believe in August. You are like, nah, I don't believe I'm lucky. I don't believe my life is changing. Even when I was saying, I could feel that resistance. It is not resistance, actually, friends. It is you have been through so much that it will take you a few months to believe that things are actually working out for you. You are actually on solid ground. I feel you are. In August, you will recover from some sort of a loss. You are definitely healing, recovering a broken heart, or you are mending your money situation or your career. And yes, I feel 80% of it you will recover from whatever you are mourning, losing, or whatever you are recovering from, you will recover. Up to 90% you will recover, but you might not notice it because you are like, hey, is it you're in a bit of a, you won't realize it, because sometimes when you are getting better, only when you are perfectly fit that you realize how sick you were or how ill you were, and then you realize, oh, now we are perfectly fit. So that is the kind of feeling. I also feel some of you actually need to um, step outside, get some sunshine, go out, go out on a holiday if you can, someplace nice, beach, or go out in the nature. It is necessary for you, because it will bring you some luck, it will change your life, it will motivate you, it start to take action. August is not the month to sit quiet. August is a month where you take action, friends, and enjoy the new opportunities. You start getting back to life. If you are not dating, it is the time to get back to dating. If you are isolating, it is time to come back to your social medias. If you are blocking somebody, it is time to unblock them. Or if you are blocking your own accounts, friends, or you are away from social media, it is time to come back. Your break is over. And if you have been working all the time, it is time to go on a holiday also. So you know what, it is the time to do the things you have not done since a long long time. So yeah, I also feel if you are feeling money was tight, money is coming, so don't worry, a lot of money is coming. Three of Cups, ooh, it could be your birthday month, so well done, friends. Maybe some of you are like, nah, we will have another boring birthday, another pandemic birthday, well, nothing happening. But no, friends, you will have a celebration, you will have a very, very happy day. Even if it's not your birthday, this month will bring you good news, celebrations, reunions with friends, or new friendships, reasons to celebrate life, reasons to feel happy about life. I also feel that it you will find people who will celebrate you, or you will find people who are celebrating something that you like also, like music, your work, your career. So friendships are coming, celebrations are coming, dates are coming. I see it could be your birthday, anniversary, or a family gathering will happen. It will bring joy to you, so make sure to go there, friends. Try not to avoid company, you need that. It is your part of change. It is, you need to change, you need to shuffle, you need to juggle. It will be good for you, friends. Let us see what else. The star, yes, friends, your wishes are absolutely going to come true. Yes, some of you are going to, if you are working for a limelight, or you are working for a, getting fame or success or something like that, yes, you will achieve it, and it will start from the month of August. You will start to see that your fame is increasing. People are recognizing you. People are, noticing your talent, your gifts, your skills. Also, for some of you, friends, you could be, getting to meet the right kind of people, right kind of friendships. Like, meeting friendships, friends, or connections which are high, which are famous people, or which can help you in some way. It is like destined connections coming your way which can help you. The star, I also feel that there is star is like a wish coming true. I don't know what you are wishing for, friends. Maybe a reunion with a person, maybe a new lover, maybe you are wishing for work or celebrations or friendships to come your way. Whatever you're wishing for, there is a high chance it will happen in August or soon afterwards August. So make sure to make your wishes. Your wishes will come true. I also feel this is the month, friends, you should take care of yourself. You should spoil yourself. You should really look after yourself, because you had been through a long, long journey, friends. It is time you celebrate life. It is time you enjoy life. It is time you put the work and just pamper yourself. And this is what the universe is going to do: pamper you, take care of you, give you some free time, give you some enjoyment, give you some extra luck, extra money, friendships, love. Yes, the chariot. Yes, friends, life is definitely going to move forward. If you were stuck, if your life was not moving forward, if you were stuck in a heartbroken energy, things will move forward. Your relationships will move forward. I do see that someone was running away from your love. or you were running away from love, there was like no contact, no communication happening in a relationship. I do feel like your crush was watching you but they were not talking you. Now they will talk to you, friends, because you're lucky, friends. Everybody wants you. You're the apple pie that everybody wants you. You are that brownie that people want to have, they want to eat, they want to enjoy it. So you are attracting a lot of attention, friends, and yes, your relationships will be moving forward. Confusions will end in the relationships, things coming back on track. I also see celebrations happening in your relationship, in your love life, anniversaries, dates happening, meetings happening, face to face meetings happening, and also gifts coming, like somebody gifting you or you gifting someone something. And look at that, the Seven of Wands. Yeah, friends, don't give up. I'm telling you, do not give up on your dreams. You are very, very close to achieving them. If you feel you will not get married, please don't give up. You will get married. If you feel you will never find somebody, please don't give up. You will find somebody. This is not a time to give up on your dreams. This is not a time to give up because life is challenging. No, this is the time to show the world what you are made of, because you are mighty, you are strong, friends. You have done a great, great job. You have been very strong, and this month you get the reward. You get things in your favor. The universe will align for you. So don't worry, friends. People, I do feel that there will be, like, see, communications happening, news and messages coming your way. But if you are a student, competition is high. So keep working. But your chances of winning or getting, the highest score will also be high. Getting that promotion will be high. So there is competition, but your chance of success will be very high. I also feel there will be someone doesn't want to give up on you. They want to fight for this connection. Yes, the Fool, a new start is coming for you. So from transformation to loss to a new start, to a new gift, a new path, a new role. I do feel some of you could be changing the role you play in the family. Like you were earlier the brother, sister, now you are a friend. Your mother, father were mother, father, now they are your friend. They are your guide. So, transformations, changes are happening. And look at that, the Ace of Wands. Yes, you're gonna find your passion. You're gonna find your, faith. You're gonna find hope this month. You're gonna find you're getting back to life, friends. It is very beautiful. I also see some connection coming back to life, some romance coming back to life. If a marriage was passionate, passionless, passions will again, sparks of love will fly, passions will fly again. So it is a beautiful month for you. Let's see what else. The Knight of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person could be important for you. I also see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and a Gemini person is important. Yes, friends, what you need is coming towards you. Don't worry. Even, whatever you have faced, the loss, it will be coming back towards you in a new way. So do not worry. Believe and trust and keep moving forward. I also feel, friends, this month in August, take action. Don't just sit and brood at your home because it will not help you. I know you have been through a lot, but in work, enjoy your work. Go out and work. Go out and meet your friends, or come back to social media. Share your thoughts. It is necessary for you to connect with people because that is where your luck is changing. That is where new things are coming your way. If you are in isolation, you will miss all this. So don't do that. Oh, the loving woman. Yes, I do feel that a mother, a loving person is important to you. A mother, it could be a sister, it could also be a girlfriend, a twin flame is important if you are single. A loving person, a loving connection is definitely coming your way. You are ready for it, friends. Yes, you have worked for it, you are ready for it now. And status quo, yeah. You are feeling like, you might be comparing your life with others, or others might be telling you, hey, you can do this better, hey, you do this, you do that. But listen to yourself, friends. Everything has a time of its own. You have been through a lot, but look at this, the sun is shining, the carpet is laid out. I feel the red carpet will be laid out for you, either now in August or in the coming years. So you will definitely achieve, I don't know how to say this. You may not know where you are going right now or where this path is taking you in August, but whatever is going to happen, or wherever, whatever will, the way luck happens for you and the destiny happens for you, it will improve your status, it will improve your success, it will improve your relationship. So overall you will have a lot, this change, this transformation is only going to make you more successful, more beautiful, more lovable, and more happy. Family, yeah, family is very important, friends. Some of you could be dealing with a third party, which is a family member. Your love life could be affected by family, so healing will happen, relief will come there. Also, some of you may want to get married. Yes, there is a chance for it, or you will get mentally, emotionally ready to commit to somebody. Yes, family members will be closer to you this month, so family is very important. Let's see what else. Healing begins. Number 6 of Cups. Yes, friends, this is the month of healing for you. You are healing, friends. Whatever you have lost, you are recovering from it, healing your heart, healing your money, your finances, your love life. And do not be so hard on yourself. Enjoy life. It is okay. It is your birthright to enjoy life. And let's see your romance angels. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So yes, I do feel that, you if you feel you have lost a loved one, or like things are not working out, remember that there is more chances available to you. So the right person is still there for you, so don't worry, you haven't lost anything. We only lose things to gain them back. Love can never be lost. That is the way I feel. Option number 3. August. How did August will be? Alright. Let's see. Wow, wedding bells. So yeah, some of you, marriage is very important for you. Wedding bells, marriage. And look at that. The butterfly is in the G letter. So that might be important. Oh, X, yeah, see? Your X is also important. So, G could be important for somebody named with G. A change is coming, like there is the butterfly. I can't take that out right now. X is also somebody from the past is also on your mind. They could be coming back also. There is the Dex. Dex could be a name. Dead could be a name. Ved could be a name. A vet. Some of you could be connected, very much connected with your pets, animals, cats, dogs, whatever. So your initials are T, D, X, and V and G. Your numbers are number 20, number 31, number 7. 7 could be July. Long distance connection, long distance news, and other than the city or country is very important. Some of you could be taking a travel or trip this month. Messages are coming. Marriage is very important. Wedding is very important. Marriage is commitment. I also see important news coming your way. Growth, yes, your finances will improve. Don't worry. Rainbow, yes, there is hope. You haven't, this is not the end of the world. This is just the start of a new era, a new beginning for you. The angel, pen, feather pen. Yes, you have something will reveal itself. There is a purpose, there is a destiny. You are also very lucky. So you will receive a lot of luck this month. Pearl, yes, you are as precious as the pearl. Take care of yourself. Don't be foolish. Attachment, yes, I do feel you are very attached to the past or something you have lost. But don't worry, you will heal from it, friends. Knight of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you. Water, yeah, I feel you need to drink a lot of water this month. Stay hydrated because it's very hot. The climate is not great, friends, anywhere in earth. Great things are happening on earth. We need to stay prepared. So doves, I can't talk much about it on these channel, no. Anyways, we can talk about it on a personal reading. So doves, forgiveness, yes, forgive yourself, friends. Mother is very important. A feminine energy, mother, grandmother, aunt, all mother-in-laws, they are important. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. And past life, yes, a past life connection is coming for you, or healing is happening in that connection. Dear, sensitivity. Yeah, you may feel like you don't want to go and enjoy in the crowd, don't want to go on a party, but you should go out, friends. Yes, Eight of Wands, take action. The more active you are, the more extroverted you are this month. Great. And December. So, December is also important, and creativity. Focus on keeping an open mind. Things can get better than you expect, friends, and you're very lucky. So, you who subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. And to buy your personal reading, visit our website, join us on Insta. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.